Hello friends, in this lecture we'll be discussing about the second method for the valuation of goodwill, that is weighted average profit method. Right? Now, how we are going to calculate the value of goodwill under this method? Say I have profits for 5 years, 2012, 2013 and 2016. Right? I have profits of say 40,000, 48,000, 60,000, 50,000 and 36,000. Now what will we do is we'll be given some weights. We will be assigning the weights to these individual profits like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? We'll be giving the weightage that the 2012 profits are given only one weightage. Right? Weightage means importance. Will be given the importance to the profits of individual year. Right? Then we'll calculate as weighted profit. How we are going to calculate? Weighted profit. If I say this is 1 and this is 2, I'll calculate weighted profit as 1 multiplied by 2. That is profits multiplied by weights. Right? What are the weights assigned? According to that, we'll calculate the profits. 40,000, 96,000, 1 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh, and again 1 lakh 80,000. We'll total these weighted profits. This comes to 6,96,000 and we will total these weights. This comes to 15. Clear? We have been given the profits of the various years from 2012 to 2016. We are given the profits, right? We are given the weights. We will assign the weights to each year. Weight is the importance to each year. Right? Then we will calculate the weighted profit as multiply the profits with the weights. Total the weights, total the profits, will calculate the weighted average profits. Weighted average profits. Now how we are going to do is averages. We'll divide the weighted profits divided by total of weights. Clear? So what are the weighted profits? 6,96,000 divided by 15. There in the simple average profit method we divide by number of years, but in the weighted average profit method we are taking the average of the profit with the weights. As the name suggests, we are taking the average of the profit with the weight. So this comes to weighted average profit 46,400. Now how to calculate goodwill? Same method. Goodwill is weighted average profit weighted average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. So the weighted average profits we have 46,400. Say number of years purchase is 3. So the goodwill will come to 1,39,200. This is a very simple method, nothing to do. We'll be given the profits, we'll be given the weights. Just get the weighted profits by multiplying the profits with the weights. Get the total of weights, get the total of weighted profit. We'll get the weighted average profit. Weighted profit divided by total of weights. And the goodwill is weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Right? Now, one thing is how we assign these weights. Why one weight is assigned to this year and more weight is assigned to the current year? Why not more weight is given to the previous years? Because more weight, more importance is given to the current year profits, because the current year profit trend is expected to continue for more number of years. Now this profit trend of 2016, right, will be more relevant for 2017 than the profit trend of 2012. Right? Clear? So one point we need to write down is more weight is assigned to current year profits because this trend means the current year profit trend is expected to continue for more number of years. Right? If I talk of the next year, that is 2017, the profit trend of 2016 will be more relevant than the profit trend of 2012. You can write this down. In year 2017, the profit trend of year 2016 will be more relevant than profit trend of year 2012. Right? That's why more weight is assigned to the current year. Right? This is a very, very simple method, weighted average profit method. We are given the profits, we'll be given the weights. Get the weighted profit by multiplying the profits with the given weights. Then calculate the average of those weighted profits by dividing with the total of weights. Right? And the goodwill is weighted average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Right? And this point is very important. You can write this down. More weight is assigned to the current year profits because the current year profit trend is expected to continue for more number of years. Like in year 2017, the profit trend of year 2016 will be more relevant than the profit trend of year 2012. Clear?